Welcome to Overgo World, making your life better through tech, vacations and other great things. Remember to subscribe so that you don't miss out on our latest videos. This is the Sonos Beam Gen 2. You may from time to time find that you need to reset this, and if you decide you want to reset it to factory setup, so something that I needed to do as I was trying to get it to work at the beginning because it kept having all kinds of error problems. This is the way to do it. You can see there's a light there at the moment, which is the, and let me just take that off, that's the mic. There's a light on there at the moment. There's a white light when it's normally working. What you do is you flip this over and there is a join button here. What you've got to do is you unplug this and you hold that down until the light on the front changes colour and starts flashing. So this is what I'm going to do now. I'm going to pull that out and hold that down, and then I'm going to flip this back over so I can see the colour of the light. So there we go. I'm going to now, I know where the button is. I'm pulling the cable out. Now I'm going to press the button and push the cable back in while I'm holding the button down. You can see the light is currently flashing white. You carry on holding that down, and then you see that it changes to orange and white. You release it at that point, and after a moment it will go to green. When it's green, it is fully initialized. There you go, it's gone to green now and it's flashing green. That is now reset back to factory settings. So if you have any problems with your Sonos Beam 2 or you decide you're going to sell it, then do this factory reset in this way. Hope that's helpful. We hope you enjoyed watching this, so please feel free to hit the like button and remember to subscribe for great upcoming videos. Thank you and see you next time.